Hello everyone and welcome to IRA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today we are going to learn Class 7 Subject English Unit 1 Topic 1.3 in Time of Silver Rain. So dear students, whenever it rains it changes the atmosphere, it changes the earth and it gives us a pleasure feeling. Everybody loves it. So let us see what poet want to say by the means of poem in the time of silver rain. So in this poem, poet is going to describe after rain what things are happen or the atmosphere on the earth, how people react on rain, how nature react on rain. All these things we are going to learn from this poem. So let us start. In the time of silver rain. In the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. So, what happened in the time of silver rain? The earth puts forth new life again. That means during rain, if you see when autumn gets over, at that time maximum leaves are falling down of the tree, and tree is we can see bare trees. But when spring is coming, at that time new leaves are coming, and this silver rain gives strength to this new life. Green grasses grow. If you see during summer, whatever grasses were there, because of lack of water it dies. But as soon as rains start, these grasses get strength to grow again, and you can see that within few days only, after rain, within few days only, you can see the earth is full of grass and flowers lift their heads. Now flowers are also happy, fresh because of rain, and rain reduces the hotness of the atmosphere, which gives strength to nature, which gives strength to grass, flowers and all other things in nature. And flowers lift their heads. Now flowers are very happy because of rain, and over all the plain the wonder spreads. Means everywhere you can see the atmosphere is wonderful as the flowers are blooming very nicely, insects are attracting, that means butterflies are there, and you can see the atmosphere is very pleasure because of flower. Different smells are good, smells are coming from the atmosphere, which gives us good feeling. So the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. That means those who are living being, everyone is happy because of rain. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. You can see maximum number of butterflies during rainy season, because of rain what happened, flowers started blooming and that attracts butterflies. So you can see maximum number of butterflies during this season. So butterflies lift silken wings, that means they are very delicate like silk, and with their shining and silken wings butterflies are moving here and there to catch a rainbow cry. To catch a rainbow cry means what? In this season we can see rainbow also. So butterflies are not sitting at one place, continuously they are moving from one place to another place. So poet says that butterflies are moving to catch a rainbow, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. Now trees who started bearing new leaves after the autumn season in spring. Because of rain, these new leaves are getting more strength, and it seems that these leaves are singing song, because during rain we observe wind is also there, and because of wind these leaves are showing the movement, fluttering movement, and which gives the sound that leaves are singing. And how they are singing? They are singing in joy under the sky. As down the roadway passing boys and girls. Now as the down roadways means rain starts when summer vacation ends, and generally in rainy season school colleges are started. So boys and girls, those who are going to school or they are passing for any different work, they also enjoy this season and go singing too. That means they are also happy. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So when we can experience all these good things when in the time of silver rain. So when it is raining, then only we can see all these good and wonderful things about grass, about leaves, about flowers, blooming of flowers, about butterflies, about boys and girls. So like that, whole earth is happy because of rain. So in this way, poet want to teach us, explain us that how rain can change the atmosphere of the earth. Okay. So let us take some more information about the poet. So Langston Hughes was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honor for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expressions are important. In this poem, he described how rain brings joy and life. So, in this poem, you can see it is written in different style. Rhythm is there, and spontaneous expressions are also explained in this poem. So, with this poem, we can understand how rain brings joy and life on earth. That is very important. Everybody loves rain. Okay, now you might have understood the poem. So let us discuss English workshop. Question number 1, find the pairs of the rhyming words used at the end of the line in the poem. So few are given here. If any word is missing, you can find it out and write it down. Rain, again, plain, these are the rhyming words. Then heads, spreads, then cry, sky. All these are the rhyming pairs from the poem. Question number 2. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Means you have to read it properly, because in this poem you can see somewhere lines are big, somewhere it is short. So it gives particular effect to understand what poet want to say. So in that style only you have to read out this poem. Question number 3. If you were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, what element will you show in it? What color will you use? Okay, so generally we would like to show the nature only, and when we are showing the nature, generally we are using green color. Question number 4. The special arrangement of short lines make you think about every detail. If you write the sentence in the usual manner, it does not have the same effect. Now go through the poem, and in poem see the writing of the pattern of those lines. If suppose you write down everything in one line only, it will not give you effect. As it is written in short and long sentences, so with that we are taking some pause, and because of that we can understand what poet want to describe us. For example, the first stanza would be something like, the earth puts forth new life again. If we are reading whole sentence, it does not give any special effect or understanding. But in poem, how it is given, if we are reading it, we are taking some pauses while reading, and it gives us time to think over it. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and the wonder of life spreads all over the plain in the time of silver rain. If we read it just like a sentence, we will not understand exactly what poet want to say. Okay. So in what manner it is given, we have to read it in that way only to understand the poem. Now try the following. Write one or two sentences about something beautiful. Okay, so this is your own activity. You have to write down You can write down about butterfly, peacock, nature, or rain using your own experience or imagination. Then rearrange the word in the sentence in a poetic form. Means in the way of poetic form you have to write it down. You may write about a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, a crop standing in a field, a graceful bird or animal, etc. It is up to you. That means here in this activity you have to make your own poem like the poet. Question number 5. Fill in the following blanks with reference to the poem. In the time of rain, when spring and life are new, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow. Now all these things are given in poem only. Cry and rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As passing boys and girls too go singing down the road ways. Okay. Question number 6. Think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rain in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? So, poet is talking about the rain that has come after a long time, and that rain is giving new life to earth. 2. Question number 6b. Are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Yes, boys and girls are happy as they are singing, that indicate that it is raining. That's why boys and girls are happy. Question number 7. Find out the following with the help of your teacher and the internet. Seasonal rains in India and in other countries. In India generally, rain means seasonal rain duration is after summer, that is from June to 4 months, that is June, July, August, September. After that winter season starts. But when we are talking about other countries, it varies. This duration of seasonal rain is in India only, but if you talk about other countries, it goes on changing. Rain in countries like UK, which experience spring, summer, autumn, winter. So in UK you can experience rain any time. In any season you can experience rain. Now question number 8, talk about your favorite season. Here you have to write down about your favorite season. Question number 9, language study. Alliteration. Alliteration, when the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. For example, Nayan needs new book. So here you can see Nayan, N is there, needs, N is there, new, N is there, notebooks, N is there. So in this example, each and every word is starting with N. So this is the perfect example of alliteration. But it is not necessary. If suppose any 2 letter or any 3 letter or any 4 letters are there, that can be the example of alliteration. So let us find out examples of alliteration from the poem. So we can here see in poem this word is there, green grasses grow. So here green, G, grasses, G, grow, G. So this is the example of alliteration. Now let us see another example from the poem of alliteration. To catch a rainbow cry. Now to catch a rainbow cry, C is here and C is here. So this is the example of alliteration. So alliteration is very easy in poem to identify, because the line in which the same alphabet means words are starting with the same alphabet repeatedly, it is the example of alliteration. Okay, I hope that you might have understood this. So all question and answers are over. Discussion is complete. Still, if you have any problem, you can write down it in comment box, so that I will try to solve your queries in future. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get new notification about my videos. Thank you.